Good day everyone, this is your math teacher, math buddy, math tutor Sir Jao, and this day we are going to discuss on how to use Geogebra in finding the area or approximating the area of a circle. This strategy of approximating the area of a circle was used by a Greek mathematician, Archimedes. Since this tutorial is too long, we split it into two parts. In part 1, we inscribe a polygon in a circle, increase its number of sides, and investigate the relationship between the areas. And in part 2, we will circumscribe the circle with a regular polygon, increase its number of sides, and approximate the circle's area. So, are you ready? Let's do this. Let's go! Good day everyone, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin yung Geogebra to approximate the area of the circle. So the first thing to do is to open your software, Geogebra, or to go to the website www.geogebra.org/classic. And then kapag na-open nyo na siya, go to the menu and to the settings and set your labeling to all new objects. And since we are all set, let's proceed to the steps on how to approximate the area of the circle. So, paano natin siya gagawin? First step is to create a slider. When we create the slider, we click the slider button and click anywhere in the screen. And then, set the name of the slider to R. And set the value of the minimum, maximum, and increment to 0.1, 5, and 0.1 respectively. So, ang gamit ng ating R slider is to determine the radius of the circle that we are going to create later on. So, the next step is to create another slider. Same step, click natin yung slider button and then click anywhere in the screen. And name this slider to N and set its minimum, maximum, and increment value. Our minimum value is 30 or 3 and our maximum value is 30, and for the increment value we will set it as 1 and then click OK. So ang sunod nating step ay mag-create ng point in the origin at papangalanan natin siya na as point A. So paano natin siya gagawin? Kiklik natin yung button ng point A and then choose intersect and click the X and Y axis. So after that, we are going to create a circle with a center at point A. So paano natin siya gagawin? Input circle and then choose the first option na mag-a-appear sa inyong input box. And then set your point to A and your radius to R. Kung mapapansin nyo, nag-pop up yung circle. And then the next step to do is to create point B that lies in our circle. So paano natin siya gagawin? Input B is equal to the coordinates R and 0. The next step to do is to calculate the central angle of our circle. So how to do that? Input the formula A is equal to 360 over N, and never forget to put the degree sign. You can locate the degree sign in the on-screen keyboard and select the function and choose the degree sign and then click enter. So the next step to do is to create the angle BAB prime. So paano natin gagawin yon? Click the angle button, choose angle given size, and then click point B and point A. So upon clicking point A and point B, we are going to set the name of our angle to A and never forget to choose counterclockwise and then click OK. So as you can see, lumabas yung ating angle which is 120 degree. But we are going to uncheck the show object of that angle. So ano yung next step natin gagawin? Ang gagawin na natin ngayon ay to create a polygon inscribed in our circle. Paano siya gagawin? Click natin yung polygon button and then choose a regular polygon. Click point B and point B prime. And set your vertices to N. Ang next step natin gagawin ay to unshow the label or uncheck the label. And as well as the vertices of the polygon inscribed in our circle. So, tatanggalin natin yung B prime, yung C, at yung ating B. And never forget to unshow the label of our point A. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pag in-slide natin yung end slider natin, dumadami din yung vertices ng ating polygon. Meaning, yung ating end slider ang nagsiserve ng, or ang nagsiset ng number of vertices ng ating polygon. So, paano ba natin malaman yung area ng ating circle? So, ang gagawin lang natin, click natin yung angle button and then choose area and then click to our circle. As we can see, the area of the circle with a radius of 3.3 is 34.21. So, kung gawin natin siyang 3, ang magiging area niya is 28.27. So, input lang natin. So, to create a text box, you are going to choose the text box and then click anywhere in our screen. And then type the area of a circle with a radius 3 is 28.27 and then click enter or OK. Then, paano naman natin malaman yung area ng ating inscribed polygon? Gagawin natin, same process, click natin yung angle button and then choose area and then click natin yung ating inscribed polygon. So, yung area ng ating inscribed polygon ay 21.4. Pero, tingnan natin kung anong area niya kapag naging triangle siya. So, ang area ng ating inscribed polygon na triangle is 11.69. So, create tayo ng text box or ng text and then click natin and then indicate natin that the area of the inscribed polygon is 11.69 and then click OK. Ngayon, i-hide na lang natin itong ating mga area kanina and that is done. We are done with our part 1. Wait for our part 2.